Friends, today I brought you the free convections problem for the horizontal plate. Before this, vertical plate problems already solved. Vertical plate, vertical pipes. Now free convections for the horizontal plate. What is the steps? How to solve the question? This is the theorem first I'll discuss. Then we will go the problem. So what is steps to solve the free convection for the horizontal plate? So as usual, film temperature will find surface temperature plus fluid temperature by 2 will find the film temperature. Based on the film temperature, we'll see the properties of air from the HMT data book. And also vertical plate, what we are doing, we are finding the beta is equal to 1 by TF film temperature. But here beta will find according to the given fluid from the HMT data book. Suppose the given carbon dioxide, air, water, whatever fluid will be there, according to this we'll see the value from the HMT data book. So approximately page number 35 to 39, all the properties of the fluid, what is given fluid will be there in the HMT data book. So according to the question, I will tell. So beta here will not find 1 by TF. Here horizontal plate beta will find from the HMT data book according to the given fluid. Then Nusselt number. In horizontal plate, we have to take the upper layer heated, lower will be cooled. Then next we'll take lower will be heated, upper will be cooled. This is the method we'll follow here. That is the concept behind that horizontal plate. So Nusselt number will find what is HU LC by K. HU nothing but heat transfer coefficient for the upper surface heated. HU na heat transfer coefficient for the upper surface heated. LC means characteristic length, which is width by 2, W by 2. W is width of the plate and K is thermal conductivity. This is for Nusselt number. If you will go the Nusselt number for lower surface heated, then HL LC by K. HL I wrote here heat transfer coefficient for the lower surface heated. So these two parts we will find out here. Then we will find the Grashof number G beta LC. LC nothing but characteristic length, which is W by 2, width by 2, and delta T as usual surface temperature minus fluid temperature. Nu is kinetic viscosity, K is thermal conductivity. So first after finding the Grashof number, what we'll do then? GRPR product will find. Product will find GRPR. Then we'll check the status of the fluid. Suppose horizontal plate upper surface heated, what is the range? 2 into 10 power 4 GRPR and 8 into 10 power 6. This is the range. This is the range for the Nusselt number. Then in this range, if the product of the GRPR will come na 0.54 GRPR power 0.25. This is the Nusselt number. If coming in this range. If the range will be 8 into 10 power 6 into 10 power 11, then Nusselt number will be this value. 0.15 GRPR 0.333. So we have to see. Find the Grashof number, then Prandtl number, we will see the property from the given temperature, film temperature. Then we will see the range. Which range coming according to this Nusselt number we will select. If the horizontal plate lower surface is heated, lower surface will be heated. That time what is the range? This is the range for the GR product of the GRPR. 10 power 5 less than GRPR 10 power 11. In that case, this is the Nusselt number formula. This is the Nusselt number formula. Then again, we'll go to the Nusselt number HL, H small l C. That is called heat transfer coefficient for the lower surface heated, LC by K. Again, from there, HL will find. So HU will find, then HL will find. Then what is the total heat transfer coefficient here? HU plus HL. HU plus HL. This will find for the horizontal plate. That is called heat transfer coefficient. Total heat transfer coefficient nothing but HU plus HL. That is the difference for the horizontal plate. Area will be as usual width into length. This is the method. This is the steps for the solving the horizontal plate free convection problems. Okay. So okay students, I'm going to solve next video this similar question horizontal plate one problem I'll take, and same this steps will follow. This is the theorem like you have to remember. Okay students, watch this video, subscribe the channel, share this video to your friends. Okay, thank you.